My feet are on the land and my fins are in the water. My wings are in the wind and the fire's in my heart. A new dream has been envisioned. Agreements have been given to live this vivid dream until this dream is fully living. I ripped myself to pieces by the teeth of all my demons and bled the tears of death until I shed the fear of leaving, but was risen from the dead by the rhythm of the season. Only reason that I lived is 'cause I'm living for a reason. My prior lives have designed me to deliver this opus. My assignment is to enliven with vociferous solace, edify, revive, and revitalize your sentient soul. Let's unite our higher minds within this infinite moment. Switch the focus of our eyes and how we see what seems like hopeless reality isn't really how it seems. Our legions have been growing now, our powers are supreme, and lucidity approaches now, 'cause this is our dream. This is our dream. Cause this is our dream and we know it. See through the illusion and receive your exultance. Believe in this moment and proceed to play your role in the dream we have chosen. Cause this is our dream. This is our dream and we know it. Release the confusion and feel into your soul as you believe in this moment. Proceed to play your role in the dream we have chosen. Cause this is our dream. We've made the decision to dispel the fear that spins us. And thanks to internet revealing the surreptitious, we're breaking televisions till the day the spell is lifted. Disconnected from deception, we embrace the self within us and step in the direction of the faith that we have harnessed. With the light that's been ignited by the sparks within our hearts as future planetary artists. Victory's a promise, 'cause our dreams shine brighter than any threat that's put upon us. 'Cause this is our dream. A golden age is upon us and this new dawn approaches with the grace of a goddess. This is our apotheosis with an unwavering prowess. We walk this razor with promise, waving the sabers of prophecy into the faces of darkness. Every being incarnate with a beating heart that's dedicated to the dream of being a part of redeeming positive change. It's congregating in spirit, spearheading a march into the mainstream to kiss these corpses with the breath of God until they have awakened. This song is for the conscious authors of our destiny, great spirit in the flesh, manifesting this collective dream. This is for the knowers, space holders and way showers, white wizards and witches, and violet flame growers. This is for the vision seekers, indigenous wisdom keepers, and musician magicians that spread their gifts through the speakers. For the sovereign litigators practicing natural law, putting their ass on the line to get us back what is ours. To all the prophets and channels, all the dolphins and whales, ayahuasqueros and shamans sharing their hearts and their prayers. To all the spiritual economists, spirit scientists, animals, permaculturists, biodynamic farmers and plants, 0 point energy advocates on a quest for the fringes. This is for all our extraterrestrial kinship. For the whistleblowers spitting truth into the eye of the wicked, we're screaming this is our dream and now it's time when we live it. Cause this is our dream. This is our dream. This is our dream.